Hello everyone, welcome back to Java tutorials. In this chapter we are going to discuss the concept basic operators. This is the continuation of the previous chapter. We have discussed the arithmetic operators and relational operators earlier, and we are going to continue from the bitwise operators. Java defines several bitwise operators which can be applied to the integer types: long, int, short, char, and byte. Bitwise operators work on bits and perform bit-by-bit operation. Assume if A equal to 60 and B equal to 13. Now in binary format they will be as follows: A equals 011 1100 and B equals 000 01101. A and B, A cap B. The following table lists the bitwise operators. Assume integer value A holds 60 and variable B holds 13. And bitwise AND. Binary AND operator copies a bit to the result if it exists in both operands. A and B will give 12, which is 0001100. Or binary OR operator copies a bit if it exists in the either operand. A or B will give 61, which is 0111101. XOR. Bitwise XOR operates copies the bit if it is set in one operand but not both. Binary one's complement operator is unary and has the effect of flipping bits. Left shift. Binary left shift operator, the left operand's value is moved left by the number of bits specified by the right operand. A left shift 2 will give you 240, which is 11110000. Right shift, binary right shift operator. The left operand values is moved right by the number of bits specified by the right operand. A right shift 2 will give 15, which is 1111. Shift right 0, fill operator. The left operand value is moved right by the number of bits specified by the right operand and shifted values are filled up with zeros. The logical operator. The following table lists the logical operators. Assume Boolean variables A hold true and variable holds false. So A holds true and B holds false. Then logical AND operator. If both the operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. A and B is false. Logical OR operator. If any of the two operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. A or B is true. Logical NOT operator. Used to reverses the logical state of its operand. If a condition is true, then logical NOT operator will make false. Not A and B is true. The assignment operators. Following are the assignment operators supported by Java language. Equal to. Simple assignment operator. Assigns values from right side operand to the left side operand. C equal to A plus B will assign value of A plus B into C. Imagine A equals 1, B equals 2, then C equals 3. Plus equal, add and assignment operator. It adds right operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. C plus equal A is equivalent to C equal to C plus A. Subtract and assignment operator. It subtracts right operand from the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. C minus A is equivalent to C equal to C minus A. Multiply and assignment operator. It multiplies right operand with the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. That means C multiplies equal A is equivalent to C equals C multiplies A. Divide and assignment operator. It divides left operand with the right operand and assign the result to the left operand. C divide equal A is equivalent to C equals C divided by A. Modulus and assignment operator. It takes modulus using two operands and assign the result to the left operand. C modulus equals A is equivalent to C percent A. Left shift and assignment operator. C left shift assignment operator equal to is the same as C equals C left shift 2. Right shift and assignment operator. C right shift equal to is same as C equals to C right shift 2. Bitwise and assignment operator. C and equal to is same as C equals C and 2. Bitwise exclusive or bitwise inclusive OR operators which are equal to C equals C bitwise to C bitwise C inclusive OR 2. Miscellaneous operators. There are few other operators supported by Java language. Conditional operator. Conditional operator is also known as ternary operator. This operator consists of three operands and is used to evaluate Boolean expressions. The goal of the operator is to decide which value should be assigned to the variable. The operator is written as variable x equals expression question mark value if true colon value if false. And the next topic is the instance of operator. This operator is used only for object reference variables. The operator checks whether the object is of a particular type, class type or interface type. Instance of operator is written as object reference variable instance of class or interface type. If the object referred by the variable on the left side of the operator passes the IS check for the class interface type on the right side, then the result will be true. Precedence of Java operators. Operator precedence determines the grouping of terms in an expression. This affects how an expression is evaluated. Certain operators have higher precedence than others. For example, the multiplication operator has higher precedence than the addition operator. For example, x equal to 7 plus 3 multiplies 2. Here x is assigned 13, not 20, because operator multiply has higher precedence than addition plus. So it first gets multiplied with 3 into 2, that's 6, and adds into 7. Here operators with the highest precedence appear at the top of the table, those with the lowest appear at the bottom. Within an expression, higher precedence operators will be evaluated first. Postfix, unary, multiplicative, additive, shift, relational, equality, bitwise and bitwise XOR, bitwise OR, logical and logical OR, conditional and assignment. Well, that's it for the tutorial. We hope you enjoyed our tutorial in Java. We'll get back with more tutorials in Java. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you.